always amazed at the amount of biodiversity that's present in just a retention pond by a grocery store. This little burb ibis, I think, is used to getting fed by people because they've got a disability. They've got this wonky back leg that I think must have been broken and healed wrong, or just healed this way. And the way that he moves is really interesting. He can use the foot as a stand and to balance, but when he wants to hop, instead of using feet like his friends do, this little buddy will draw his crooked leg up on his butt, and then he'll hop on his strong leg. And it's really quite inspired. It may be crooked and wonky, but it still works. This bird's like, listen, if you're filming me, I don't do appearances for free. Feed me. There we go. There's that move. He swings his leg up behind his tush, under his wings. And then he'll hop on the other one. I just found it a fascinating example of disability in nature. Hanging out with all his factory issue leg friends.